Turkey Erdogan yesterday at the White House and held a joint news conference in which he described the impeachment inquiry again as a hoax in a witch hunt. And so, but yeah, he was tweeting up a storm somehow through all of this. They do claim the president didn't watch it, but certainly I'm sure he was informed as to what was said. His surrogates are out on the TV circuit this morning. Kellyanne Conway, the counselor to the president, has been giving interviews. So certainly the White House is pushing back against these allegations. And right now, their argument is this is all hearsay. I don't know what the defense is going to be going forward if they are able to get Gordon Sondland on the record as having spoken to the president directly. That would no longer be hearsay. So, look, I mean, the president definitely mounting his defense, saying that the call was perfect, saying that he did nothing wrong. Republicans, his staunch defenders, echoing the same. Democrats leaving the hearing saying it was a good day for them. Republicans left the hearing saying it was a great day for the president. So it really just depends on your perspective. If you did watch all 4.5, 5 hours of testimony, a lot of it dry, but at the same time, some very key information did come out.
Rachel Sutherland from Fox News Radio, thank you so much. Have a great day. 8:50 now. Let's check of traffic and weather on the 10s from the News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM Traffic Center. Here's John Hanley, brought to you by Dr. Patient Unity.
Accident for the Mass, folks. 95 northbound at Route 1 in Sharon, getting around the city of Providence. Not that bad. 95 northbound, a little slow up from Thurber's Avenue. Just a little leftover volume coming down from Broadway and the Washington Bridge and 195 west. With your southern New England traffic, I'm John Hanley.
As surprise medical bills bankrupt Americans, James Langevin stands with doctors to remove patients from billing disputes. He demands insurance companies pay their fair share and opposing their rate-setting proposal to cover less medical.
It's this holiday season.
Providence College lost, no.
That is unbelievable. The
All right, so you got the tip.
You do have a minute?